Hey guys, I'm back. I'm to show you my saves part 2. So first we have my house. Yeah. Yeah. Then we have um the money. Wasn't inside my house. Next we have um um engineer pumpkin. We also have sky. Yeah. Next we have my boat. I want to show you guys this boat since hold on, hold on. I mean, there's one eight tiny boat in it. Okay, like they just there we have Apple guy. So then we have me. We have my uncle Sue and Auto Style. Sir, what are you doing? That information is really short. I know. The game is to lag too much, or else I would have done a movie right now. Right, boy? Alright. Bye.